Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure.
With me, Gisele!
Magic, all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.
What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Graham?
Button, water, and vine.
Our adventure awaits. Mix and smash, and away in a flash.
Whee!
Woo! Whoa!
Whoa, look at the size of everything.
It's like a rainforest where everything is ginormous.
Or maybe we're just really small.
Huh, you're right. The plants and trees are getting droopy. Maybe they're tired?
Or maybe they're just thirsty for water.
You're right. We need to find some water. Lead the way. Whoa! Is that what I think it is?
It's a giant water sprinkler.
No, that's not at all what I was thinking. But it makes more sense.
I think we have to press that big blue button on the top to get the water started. Maybe we can bounce our way up on these bouncy flowers. It's not working!
Plan B! As in, maybe we can get a lift from that big honeybee.
Excuse me, but can you please fly us up to that big blue button?
Very sweet of you.
We're too heavy.
Maybe we should have had a later lunch. Thanks for trying. Uh-oh. The trees are getting even more droopy. Their vines are almost touching the ground.
The vines, that's it. We can't bounce up, we can't fly up, but maybe we can swing up.
Yeah!
Alley-oop! We did it! The rainforest has its rain back.
I don't know about you, but I never could resist a run through a sprinkler. You in?
Lead the way.
Hey, that's my line! What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Addison?
Cookie. Deer. And earring.
Our adventure awaits. Mix and mash, and away in a flash! We're in a holiday cookie factory! Oh, icing! Oh, and sprinkles!
Oh no. It thinks we're cookies.
This is our stop.
I'll just take a cookie for later.
Hey, that cookie is as beautiful as your earring, Addison.
Thanks. They're my favorite. Oh no. I lost one of my earrings.
Maybe it's still on the conveyor belt. Where does it lead?
It's going outside.
Lead the way.
Oh, dear.
Oh, dear, indeed. It's not just a cookie factory. It's a deer-feeding snack machine. Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Oh, no. That poor deer didn't get a cookie.
Aw. I wonder what happened to it.
Uh-oh. I think I know.
That's one determined deer. Come on.
Good thing this cookie dough broke our fall.
We look like snowmen. Or should I say, dough men.
I'm stuck.
So am I. We're free.
Thank you so much. I think this is yours. My earring!
I knew it would turn up.
Aw.
What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Brandon?
Spaceship. Sloth. Pineapple.
Our adventure awaits! Mix and mash, and away to flash!
Whoa! We're on a spaceship.
And we have a passenger! A snoozing sloth!
High five, snoozer. I forgot. Sloths move super slow.
Hey, what was the last word you put in the mashup mixer, Brandon?
Pineapple.
Of course! Then our destination is Pineapple Planet! Hang tight!
Whoa! Everything looks like a pineapple.
Whoa, I wasn't expecting that. Huh?
Those pineapples look like sloths. Only they're super fast. How are they so fast? I think I know how pineapple sloths are so fast. Try this, snoozer. I knew it! The pineapple juice turned Snoozer into a super speedy sloth.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, if we don't get Snoozer out of here, he's going to destroy Pineapple Planet.
I know how we can do that. Follow my lead, Gisele.
All right, let's see where this goes.
Hey, Snoozer, I've got your pineapple juice. Come on. Now that we're leaving, Snoozer will be slow again.
Maybe not. I made a stop on the way back to the spaceship. What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Luke?
Pizza, train, and dinosaur.
Our adventure awaits! Mix and mash, and away to flash! Woo! Woo! All aboard! The Gisele and Luke Express! Next up, Cloud9.
Cloud9? Where's that? Wait, there it is, up in the sky.
How are we gonna get up there?
This must be a flying train. We just need to find a launching pad.
Will that big hill do the trick?
Full speed ahead.
I think the hill is waking up. Also, I don't think it's a hill at all.
Wow, it's a dinosaur.
I wasn't expecting that.
Uh-oh, better set a new course.
Close call.
It's not done playing with its food. Look! There's a cave up ahead. Our hungry friend won't be able to fit inside.
Lead the way. At this rate, we'll never get to Cloud9 Station.
Huh? You smell pizza?
It's coming from back there.
My first customers ever! Oh, welcome to my pizza stand. What can I get you?
Aha! I think I know how to solve our hungry dinosaur problem. We'll take 400 large vegetarian pizzas, please.
Coming right up!
So we're just gonna breeze over the fact that a talking bear is making pizza? Okie dokie. He's definitely not hungry anymore. Your plan worked, Luke.
Looks like our grateful friend wants to return the favor. Get ready for liftoff.
Up, and away!
Next stop, Cloud9 Station.
What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Hugo?
Penguin. And then roller coaster. And pumpkin.
Our adventure awaits! Mix and mash, and away in a flash!
Whoa! We're in a big pumpkin patch!
What better place to be on Halloween?
Like your Halloween costume, Gisele. Really nice.
Thanks. I'm a lionfish.
And I am a cowboy!
That's a weird-looking pumpkin.
Ooh, I think it might be a treasure map.
You're right. And the treasure's a delicious-looking pumpkin pie.
Yum!
Lead the way, partner. Do you think we're close?
We must be. I can smell the pumpkin pie. Oh, there it is! We found it!
We're not the only ones. Look!
Who is that?
A penguin in a pumpkin patch?
It's not a real penguin. It's just someone in a penguin costume. Follow that penguin!
It's getting away!
Gisele, look! A glowing pumpkin seed. Maybe it can help.
And away she grows!
It's the most pumpkin-y roller coaster ever!
We're catching up!
Got it! Hey there, why did you run away?
Oh, uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, you're scared of lionfish. Oh, yeah, I speak penguin.
Oh, you don't have to be afraid of Gisele. She's just wearing a costume. Just like you're dressed like a penguin, when really you're...
Two penguins! I wasn't expecting that.
So, who wants pumpkin pie?
Happy Halloween!
What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Elliot?
Cheese! Campsite! And unicorn!
Our adventure awaits! Mix and mash and away in a flash!
Ooh, we landed in a campsite.
Smell that fresh air. With just a hint of cheese?
It's the tent. It's made out of cheese.
Oh, I wasn't expecting that. You know what my favorite part of camping is?
Tell me.
Better yet, I'll show you. Look how bright the moon and stars are tonight. And it's so quiet.
That sound is coming from nearby. Should we go check it out?
Lead the way. It's a unicorn.
Is it just me? Or does its horn look like the moon? Hi, unicorn. I'm Elliot, and this is Gisele.
I think it's calling out to the moon.
Or maybe it's just lonely.
We can help with that.
It's not working.
Uh-oh, it's a warm night, and the cheese tent is getting melty.
I didn't know unicorns like cheese. I think the cheese is powering it up somehow. It wants to give us a ride.
I'd never say no to a unicorn. I think I know where we're going.
The moon! Wow, the moon is made out of cheese. No wonder the unicorn loves it.
Oh, looks like our friend was just trying to get home.
I'm glad we were able to help out.
Good thing the moon is made of cheese. We're gonna need a new tent.
Mix and mash, away in a flash. We going on an adventure. Imagine all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.